Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Fishdom account. Whether you are taking a break or just want to close your account, follow these steps to do so. First of all, open up Fishdom app on your device and log into your account. Once you're in the game section, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left. Now from the menu that appears on the screen, tap on the I button at the bottom. You will then open up the information page where you'll need to tap on Delete Account. If you want to request to delete your account, then make sure that you will also be deleting your purchases, game progress, and account. Deleting an account takes 15 days. After that time, the deletion is irreversible. If you return to the game within 15 days of deletion, the deletion of your account will be cancelled and you will be able to save your progress and continue playing. To continue deleting the account, tap Continue. Now click on Delete once again and your deletion request has been submitted. And that's it. You've learned how to delete your Fishdom account. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.